Immobiliser fit, and it's a 2014 BMW 435i, protected with a Halo Mini Immobiliser. So if a thief got this key, done a relay attack, broke into your house and stole it, got in and went to steal it, the car's going to start up. When you put it in gear, it's going to cut out straight away. So what the customer's got to do, start it up. Before putting it in gear, they'll put their unique code in. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a flash from the full beam. We can select our gear and drive away. They want to set their own code, change it. What they'll do, turn the ignition on, prove that it's them with their code, and get the flash. Now they'll press the accelerator pedal 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Full beam's going to flash, and now they can set their new code. We'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn the ignition off. Get one flash confirming that the code's been learnt. So now we'll start the car. Obviously when we get in it, we'll use the new code, get a flash from the full beam, and select our gear. When we leave the vehicle, 2 flashes, system's active instantly. So if the thief grabbed your key off you as you stepped out the vehicle, went to steal it, it's going to cut out. No time to set. As soon as you open the door, it's active. If the customer wants to take this for a service, what they'll do, turn the ignition on, prove that it's them with their code, and on the last one, instead of letting go, they'll just hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds. So this is the last button on their push sequence, and we're going to get 5 flashes. 3, 4, 5. This turns the system off in its entirety, so when it goes back to BMW, it's just a normal vehicle. It's going to start up, and they're going to be able to select a gear and drive away as if the immobiliser is not fitted. It's completely turned off. When it's with them, they're not going to know anything's in here, because obviously they don't need a code or a phone to start it. When you get it back, you do the same process in reverse. So ignition on, pop your code in, and on the last one you will hold instead of letting go for 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding until you get a flash. There we go, we can let go. System's now activated. If we open the door, 2 flashes and it's armed. So once again, if a thief got this key, went to steal it, they're going to start it up, put it in gear, it's going to cut out. Just show you again, we'll pop it in reverse, cuts out. So customer, start it up, code, get your flash and select your gear. We're Immobiliser fit. This is a Halo Mini, once again on a 2014 435i. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.